Hello, friends. This is Mrs. Morales with another Scholastic News. Can you believe that summer is almost here? So this week, we're going to read about how our senses can help us describe things during the summertime. In today's lesson, we are going to identify what details in the text support the main idea of the text. Remember, the main idea is what the text is mostly about, and details will give us information about the main idea. In writing, we're going to write a sentence and write a punctuation mark at the end of our sentence. You can watch the video, The Five Senses, before or after we read the text in our magazine to learn more about the five senses. After watching the video, you can share with your adult about what the five senses are. We're going to read the article by looking at each box. Remember that throughout the text, you're going to see some words in yellow. Those are our vocabulary words. Let's start. Look at the blue box. Read with me. How do you know it is summer? You can see boats. You use your eyes to see. What detail supports the main idea? Remember, the main idea is we can use our senses to describe things during the summer. What sense is he using? That's correct. He's using his eyes to see, and he is looking at a boat. So the detail that supports the main idea is we can see a boat on the water. Let's take a look at the orange box. Read with me. How do you know it is summer? You can hear fireworks. You use your ears to hear. What detail supports the main idea? What sense is she using? Yes, she's using her ears to hear, and she is hearing fireworks. Do you think the fireworks are loud or soft? I think they're loud too. I see her covering her ears, which makes a loud noise. So the detail that support the main idea is we can hear loud fireworks. Now let's take a look at the pink box. Read with me. How do you know it is summer? You can feel sand. You use your skin to feel. What detail supports the main idea? Remember, the main idea is we can use our senses to describe things during the summer. What sense is the baby using? That's correct. The baby is using the sense to touch. He is using his skin to feel the soft sand. So the detail that supports the main idea is we can feel the soft sand on our feet. Now let's take a look at the green box. Read with me. How do you know it is summer? You can smell flowers. You use your nose to smell. What detail supports the main idea? What sense is she using? Yes, she is using her nose to smell the flower. So the detail that supports the main idea is we can smell the flowers. Now let's take a look at the yellow box. Read with me. How do you know it is summer? You can taste ice cream. Yum. You use your tongue to taste. What detail supports the main idea? Remember, the main idea is we can use our senses to describe things during the summer. What sense are they using? Yes, they are using their tongue to taste the cold ice cream. So the detail that supports the main idea is we can taste the cold ice cream. Look at this picture. What do you see? Yes, there are different kinds of food. Foods have different taste. Some foods are sweet like watermelon. Some foods are salty like a pretzel. Some foods are sour like lemon and lime and grapefruit. Some foods are bitter like broccoli. What do you think the main idea of this picture is? That's right. Foods have different taste. Hmm, what is your favorite summer food? How does it taste? So now it's time to show what you know. Remember that you can always look back in the text to figure out your answer. In writing today, you are going to pick one of the senses to write about. You can choose I can see, I can hear, I can smell, I can feel, or I can taste. I picked I can taste. So I love eating watermelon during the summertime. So I'm going to write about that. I'm going to write I can taste from looking at the sentence frame already given to us. Now I'm going to finish the sentence. I'm going to write the juicy watermelon. I can taste the juicy watermelon. Now that my sentence is done, what do I need at the end? That's right. I need a period. So I'm going to make sure that I place my period at the end of my sentence. But you know what? I wrote another word. I wrote the word yum because watermelons are yummy. Now that my sentence is done, what do I need at the end? Yum! That's right. It's with a feeling, right? So this time, I'm not going to need a period. I'm going to need an exclamation point because I'm saying it with a feeling. I can't wait to see what you guys write this week to let me know what your favorite sense is and what do you like to do with it. So my friends, see you next week with another scholastic news.